A cael bal cosio ag Erin Carter eith agus far na parke, le cwrt teolichan sas y gêm. Hosi sgioba Erin ag og, agus chai gu Bonnyrigg Rose far a vile iddi Cluinnidh is on Faic eith dich bliana.
It was definitely a major impact on my life since I was young. Football majorly. My granddad was a referee since decades ago. My dad's played football since such a young age, and my sisters, my cousins, everyone in the family has played football, so it just kind of was me to follow on and do football next. But yeah, it's definitely been a major thing in the family. It's ran through all the decades. So I think it was at the age of 6 I joined Leanne Minors Club. I played there for about a year, 2 years. When I was 8-year-old I joined Bonnyrigg, and I'm now nearly 18 and nearly been playing for the club for 10 years. So it's been a long time at this club. It's definitely been an experience. Everyone's been so supportive. I feel like it's like one big happy family here, and I feel like I've always been welcome, so I've never had a reason to leave. So that's why I have been here for so long. I think I've got so much attachment to the club, I don't think I could ever leave because it has been so long. And just going from like 8-year-old to nearly 18, I don't think I'll leave anytime soon, that's for sure.
An taes yn sgioba chwyd Bonnyrigg Rose y hyd sgipen yn barrachd is fewn, agus na mysg fa grwn chlychyd yn ogym mar Erin y fa genw'n sliau sŵs fo iddo fo ochlyn diag, gyfi Cluinnidh and the league I garth either.
It was a very nerve-wracking decision to make. We were on the verge of folding just because we had lost so many players. But then when we found out we were moving up, I was quite excited in a sense because my big sister Niamh was joining us. So it was like having my best friend playing alongside me, so I felt a bit more supported and a bit more confident to then make the big jump, because we are playing up against a lot older women compared to a lot of us. A lot of us are 17, nearly 18, and it was a big jump to make to then go up against like 25-year-olds and things like that. But it has been such a good experience and I wouldn't change it now. I think it was such a good move for the club to make, and it's brought a lot of an audience to the club, and it's made us more visible to a wider range of people.
Get the say seo y hyd sees yn achge, be ymwrt fa van gaib, agus a Erin y smyngen gyfilityd niarstachig, a siw I fi dolo neis gybian na slaughter.
It has definitely helped us develop. It's gave us more encouragement to do better, because you're going up against a lot of older players and more experienced players. So for us not playing as long together, we literally joined and half the girls I'd never played with before, and we played our first game, and it was like a new family, and it was really strange at the start, but it was such a good move for everyone to make, I think. We were literally a few points off the top. We did come so close, but we did go through a lot of bumps throughout the year. We didn't have a goalie for a certain amount of time. Our goalie injured her ankle, and then we were down to not having a goalkeeper. We lost a lot of players due to injury. We just had a lot of bumps, so it was realistically a hard season to get through because a lot of players were injured, but it did help develop us more, because coming into it now we're so much stronger because we had to support each other through the difficult times. So I think this year we've got a good chance. We've got as good of a chance as any other one. I don't think people should underestimate us, so hopefully we can get the promotion this year.
Yn bliana, han clubbe y Cluinnidh and the season gyddyd, rwyd ŵr an y league yn i'r yn SWF. Le tuliwch sgipi yn y ffarpus is on archa an the league hyn. Ha Erin y coint y ddyrd y sigwlan, agus ha I tolich y fechgyn gyfil ffas bal cosyn yn ban yn ALBA, has the lenting.
It's so nice to see. We're getting so many more supporters and things coming along. Ladies football it's growing so much. So hopefully it keeps expanding, and hopefully a few more teams join the league, because it would be nice to have a bigger league and play up against new competitors. So yeah, I just hope it keeps expanding and then getting better and better. So hopefully on Sunday we can steal another 3 points and climb up the table a wee bit more. I think we've got a very good chance of the promotion, like I said, and we're just needing to build on the squad, maybe bring a few more players in, and I can't see us not winning the league at this point. I'm just praying that we do. That's all we're aiming for. We've taken each game at a time. We obviously played Aberdeen on Sunday. That was a 9-1 win. So we were just climbing up the table, especially in goals and things. We just keep scoring, and it's getting us up and up the table. So fingers crossed the rest of the season will get us further up that table.
Ha colas ma eith Bonnyrigg Rose agus ha skipper a club Erin and dòchas a gol fata leis an skipper at sa chuma gat a dol a gopad go crúi.
If everyone stays together, we'll go so far. We are so tight and so close to one another that we could go another few years without anyone leaving. That's the plan, hopefully, and hopefully a few years of promotion will get us up that table. Literally, I wouldn't change anyone or anything at the club. Everyone's so supportive and I just feel so welcome and so like a family here. So I wouldn't change anything and it just means so much to me. It's definitely promotion this year. And then playing higher levels of football because we're definitely a good enough squad to make it to higher levels. So we're just praying for that promotion, getting higher up, and we'll just be an amazing team and amazing competitors next season as well.